Good morning, everybody. So today I wanted to show you how to get a really fast face using 5 products. So these are 5 products. They fit in the palm of your hand. I'm not saying you can have these in the car with you because you shouldn't do your makeup while you're driving, definitely. But really easy makeup. So I'm going to show you what the products are, and then I'm going to put them on my face and I'll show you the difference. So first is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. I have this in the shade medium. I'll use this for obviously my dark circles that are, they look brown today. I don't even know what to do with those. Then I have the Flower Beauty Blush Balm. The color I have is in Melon. I have the Roller Lash by Benefit. The Instant Brow Lift Pencil from e.l.f. Cosmetics. And then the Honest Beauty Lip Crayon in Sheer Rose. So 5 easy products that will, make a really easy look, weekend look or an everyday look that's just easy to put on and quick. So let's see how it goes. Starting with the concealer. So like I said, I have it in the shade medium. This concealer, if you haven't used it before, will last you a lifetime because you need not even that much. It's so potent. So I have played around with, you have to warm it with your fingers, so just make sure you do that. I have played around with setting this concealer. I have found that as I get older, setting concealer might not be the right move for me. I definitely need to pat it out. So you'll see that throughout the video, me just patting out where my lines are. But I'm not gonna set this. I'm not gonna set my face at all. I do have sunscreen on underneath everything. And I can't remember if I put an eye cream on, but I think I did. So this, I just pat, pat, pat. I don't like smear it because I think that affects the coverage. And I should be using my ring finger. So I'm gonna take whatever I have left and just go around my nose. My skin looks a little bit red because I used a vitamin C serum underneath, so from The Ordinary. And I like it, but it does make my skin, this is the product I use, The Ordinary Ascorbic Acid 9%, or 8%, I can't tell because my contact just moved. I don't know. Anyway, this makes my skin a little bit red, so you'll see that, but it will calm down as the day goes on. So that's just with the concealer under the eye. I'm going to do a little bit of spot concealing. So again, I'm going to take a little bit, and then I'll put it on some of my spots after I warm it up with my finger. I'm going to take just a tiny bit more. I think you can use this as foundation. It would be an incredibly thick foundation, but if you do it that way, I would just make sure that you warm it. So I'm going to take a beauty blender just to like give me a little bit of coverage and just make sure that things are okay. So it's not going to do anything crazy, as you can tell. You can still see that my nose is a little bit red, but under my eyes is better. Now, I'm going to get real close. So you see where it's gathering right there? So I'm just going to take my finger and just literally press that. And if I do this a couple times, anything that's extra that's collecting there will end up spreading out, and then it doesn't need to be set. Okay, so that's already better. So the next step, I'm going to do my eyebrows. Eyebrows are really important. If you don't do them, you should, but I think everyone does because it became a really big thing a couple years ago. So just gonna fill them in. In case anyone's wondering, I'm still in my pajamas. All right, so we got some eyebrows. Okay, so next up, that's super fun. This, like I said, is the blush balm in blush balm in Melon. So this is really pigmented and a really bright color. I'm not actually sure if it's the right color for the season. It is fall leading to winter where I am, but it's what we're gonna do. So just a little bit, and because it is so intense, I'm going to use my beauty blender. my dog has discovered my beauty blenders. Oh my God, it's a situation. So I've hit them. I'm glad that my favorite one's only $5. He ate 2 of them yesterday. So here's why I like this color. I feel like this is the color that I personally get after I've run. And I didn't just run, but I look like a little bit healthy. So I still have quite a bit. I'm just gonna take a little bit more. And I do like the finish of this. I feel like it's very skin-like, and that helps when I don't have any other foundation on. So, or I don't have any foundation. So if I had like a matte blush, you know, you would see my skin and then all of a sudden this matte look that I don't think would look too good. Put a tiny bit on my nose. And because I'm not using any eyeshadow today, I'm going to take a little bit and I'm going to put it on my eyes. And number one, this makes a little bit more of a cohesive look because the color is in another location. And I think it just provides a little bit of definition. I still have so much, so you definitely need very little of this product. Okay, so there's just a little bit just to give me a little something. Like I tried a little bit harder than I did actually. Okay, so now we're just gonna see how long this takes to set. Anyway, so now we're gonna put some mascara on. And because I don't have any eyeshadow on, you're gonna see like I have a little spot here and I'll probably have some near my lash line. So you just wait for it to dry and then you flick it away with a Q-tip. Or a cotton swab if you don't use the name brand. And I always do 2 coats of mascara because I'm extra. Okay, I'm gonna take a tiny bit more concealer because I didn't wait long enough for my eye mascara to dry. Okay, so we're gonna finish the look with the Honest Balm. And there we go. So super simple. I have a little bit of coverage. I'm feeling a little bit like more wide awake, have some color in my eyes and on my face, and I'm ready for the day. So super simple look, 5 products. Again, I think anytime you use like a liquid or cream blush, it's going to help accentuate like your natural skin. And then just having a sheer balm. Right now I'm hardly wearing lipstick because I'm wearing a mask all the time, but this is an easy one to wear, and if it, you know, wipes off, it's not so much color that it like, you know, has a drastic effect. So there you go. I hope everyone has a great day and that you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't, and let me know if you have any video requests below. Thank you. Bye-bye.